What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today is going to be episode 87, and we're going to take a look at two things. We're going to take a look at the potential of the FOMC meeting today at 2 o'clock with Jerome Powell and how it will potentially affect the market and why potentially I probably won't be doing any trades until after this meeting. Then we're also going to take a look at my trading for yesterday, which was Tuesday. I had another rough day in the market trading QQQ, but I was still able to pull out a small profit, nothing crazy. So we're going to jump right into that right now. All right, so here we have the place pulled up on the chart here in trading view, and I'll just kind of zoom it in just so you guys could see. So did something a little bit different today. So these plays that you see with the money bags, so entry, exit, those are the winning plays. The one you see with the mad steaming emoji, that's the losing play. So as you guys can see, I had one play here that I won, another one that I lost, one that I won here, and then another one that I lost. So those two losses actually took me down some, but I was still able to maintain profitability. The big problem I ran into yesterday, the market was just moving really slow, similar to Monday, and the direction was just so unpredictable. But, you know, you can't just say, oh, the market is difficult, I'm not going to trade anymore, especially if you're trying to get a handle on the process. And that's exactly what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to learn, trying to get sharper. So I still want to make my plays. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the first play. So the first play that I did here, I have a put entry. And this was, as you could see here, I entered into the 432 put and I got one contract at 239. Then went up, boom, 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 came back down, boom, boom, boom. And I ended up selling down here. So entered at 239 and I sold at 321. And on that play, I made $84. So then we get to the next play here, which is this 432 call. And I got the call because I saw it kind of like spiking up here. And I was like, I'm going to try to play it from here to probably here. And then it just shift and went down like crazy. So I got in here at 149 on this put. And if we scroll over, right, you'll see I end up selling down here for 54. So I end up losing $95 on this trade. So from here to here, I lost $95. All right. Then we got into the next one, right, which was another put. So we got the 429 put, and we got one contract right here at $1.55. So we entered here after it broke this ascending line that was touching all the higher lows. So broke out the line, we got in right around here towards the end of this big David Banner candle, and then it just boom, 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 shot down. So as soon as it was getting to this line, it bounced a little bit. I was looking for a retest to see if it was going to go down, and I noticed it kept consolidating this way, but with green candles, so Hulk candles. So I got out here. So I got in at $1.55, and I sold at 227. So on this one, I made a profit of $72. And then the last trade now, at that point, I was up like $60. And then I entered into another put here. So I entered into the 426 put. I got one contract times 82 and came down, retested the line, and didn't break. It just started to consolidate, then it started to go up, and I got out right around here. And I got out at 49 from 82, so I ended up losing like $33, I think, on that play, which kind of ended my day somewhere around like 20, I think it's 27 or $28 profit. So very choppy, rough day. Now I want to show you guys something. Some people say, oh, you see how you got out here and then it started to go up? What you guys have to remember, these particular contracts I'm playing 0 days to expire contracts. So after a certain time frame, the theta just gets really crazy. And regardless of you see it going up here, the value of the theta is overpowering the delta, which means that the amount that I would make every time it moves a couple of cents is way less than the amount that it decays every time it moves. All right. So as time goes, the decay just gets more and more powerful. And that's the issue with 0 days to expire. I have a new strategy I think I'm gonna try today for this, but we'll see. But yeah, but that was pretty much my play. So let's go ahead and hop into Robinhood now, and we'll look at the receipts for these plays on QQQ. All right, so here we are in Robinhood. All right, so as you could see, the first play here, I got this one for 237, and this was the 432 put. On this particular one, I end up selling the 432 put for 321. So from here to here, like I said, I made like $84 on this play. And the next one was the call, which I lost on. So I got this contract at 149 for the 432 call. And then on the 432 call, I end up selling for 54. So this loss really hurt because this was $95 and that hurt my overall numbers for the day. If we go ahead now and we scroll up, then we'll see that the next call I got in, the next put that I got into was the 429 put. This one was profitable. This one was 155. And then I ended up selling that put for 227. So on that one, I made like $72. And then the last one is this 426 put that I got. And even though, like I said, it started to, go down, the decay on this was just kind of crazy. So I had to get out of it. So this one I got at 82 and I ended up selling for 49. So I ended up losing on this one as well. So overall, when you look at the numbers for the day, I'll put it up on the screen right now for you guys. But my buy was 623 and then my sell was 651 for a P&L of $28 or 4% ROI. So 4% return on the money that I invested for the day. Not exactly ideal, nowhere near my mark for 200. So I had a rough day on Monday, lost. Tuesday got rough again, but didn't take any losses, but really small profit. So for Wednesday, we're going to try again. But we do have that FOMC meeting coming up, and I definitely want to see if I can wait and just try to see how we could play that. But as far as today is concerned, you guys could see on the economic calendar, we have a stack day at 8:15. We have the ADP employment. Then we have construction spending at 10. ISM manufacturing, job openings at 10. And then this is the big meeting where we're going to have Jerome Powell speaking. So in this meeting, pretty much they're going to announce the decision for a rate increase or not, or keeping it the same way. Based on the numbers and the polling, it says that there's a 90-some% chance he's going to keep the rates the same way. But then he speaks also at 2:30. So expect today to be a really, really crazy day. And when this guy speaks, it just brings fear and panic. It's never usually anything good. So if he speaks, I think I'm just going to chill, have money on the sidelines, and wait to see the outcome or the direction that the market's going. Again, I'm going to try not to, fall into the trap of slow moving trades. So I'm trying to get in when there's heavy momentum. Probably today I'm going to start getting in like around, the end of the second candle and get out by like the start of the fourth candle. But the idea is to get in and get out and only hop in when there's momentum. So we still have capital today. We still have my normal capital that I plan to play with trades, and we're going to go after it. All right. And that's it for the video today, guys. I just wanted to give you an update on the trading for Tuesday and also what to expect today in the market with the FOMC meeting. All right. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you found this information useful, please consider subscribing. I make new videos like this every day. Also, go ahead and like this video if you like the information that was provided to you today. But more than anything else, please go ahead and share this video with a family member or friend. Thanks again for watching the video. Y'all be safe. Have a blessed day. Peace.